Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to enroll Rigi user on FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I'm selling my courses through FlexiFunnel and I'm an online educator. Now what I want to do is that automatically whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnel, then automatically by using those details, I want to give access to my user and I want to enroll that user into my course in Rigi. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Rigi. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase or a new sale through FlexiFunnel for my course, then automatically by using those details, I will create a new user and I will enroll that user into Rigi for my particular course. So how I'm going to do this automatically? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can enroll Rigi user on FlexiFunnels purchase. So suppose here I'm an online educator and I'm offering a comprehensive programming courses, and here to streamline my operation, I'm selling the courses through FlexiFunnels, and once a customer purchases the course, I want to automatically enroll them as a user in Rigi, where all my users will access course materials, assignments and community features, but manually adding each new student from FlexiFunnels to Rigi is going to be time consuming and prone to errors, and especially as the number of students will grow. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to automate this whole process and I'm going to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Rigi, and for every new purchase that I'm going to receive through FlexiFunnels for my courses, then automatically by using all the detail of that purchase, I will enroll that user in my Rigi account. So here I'm going to simply build this connection without any coding and programming skills, just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection, and here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, we will see these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to enroll Rigi user on FlexiFunnels purchase. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will direct us to this most important window for our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here first I need to set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, that is going to be FlexiFunnel. So here I'm going to select FlexiFunnels, and now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new purchase will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my FlexiFunnel account, and in this I will go to products, and in products you need to create your particular product, and in this I have this particular product of PHP programming, which is my course. So I'm going to edit this product. And in this product, I need to set some rules. So I'm going to open this option of set rules. And here I need to set some product rules. So I'm going to click on this button of set product rules. Now here I have this option of use. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have to select this option of webhook. So I'm going to open that. And now I have these two tabs of webhook name and the webhook URL. So here first I have to give my webhook name, and in the webhook name I'm going to give FlexiFunnel purchase as my webhook name. And now I'm going to give my webhook URL. So here in this tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to click on save. And here I have successfully added my webhook and I have set up my product rule in FlexiFunnel. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to make a new purchase for my course through FlexiFunnel. So as I will create a new purchase or a new sale in FlexiFunnel for my course, then automatically I will receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my sale page. And here this is my sales page for my PHP programming course. So I'm going to click on buy now. And here I need to fill all these details. Now first I have to give the first name. So here the first name is going to be John. I have to give the last name, that will be Elvis. Email ID will be johnelvis@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And also I have to give the address. So here my address will be Old Street. City will be Bhopal. State will be Madhya Pradesh. And I have to give a random zip code. And I need to select my country. So here in the country, I'm going to select India. And now I have to make the payment. So for making the payment, I'm going to do the card payment. So here I'm going to make a test payment. So I'm going to give a test card number. Also, I'm going to give a random expiry date, random CVC and zip code. Now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on complete order. And here we can see I have successfully created this order and I have created this purchase for my course. Now that I have created a new sale in FlexiFunnel, now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new purchase or the new sale that I've created in FlexiFunnel for my course. And here I have all these details. So here I have the random zip code. I have the state, that is Madhya Pradesh. Also I have the sales page URL or the page ID. Here I have my product title, that is PHP programming. I have my product ID. I have the price, that is 550 rupees. I have the random phone number of my customer. I have the first name, that is John. I have the last name, that is Elvis. I have the email address, that is johnelvis@pabblytudes.com. Also in this, I have the city and the address of my customer, that is Old Street. So here we can see that automatically, as I've created a new purchase in FlexiFunnel for my course, then automatically I've received all the detail of that customer here in Pabbly Connect. Now that I have received all the detail of the purchase and my customer, what I want to do is I want to use all these detail, and automatically by using these detail, I want to enroll this customer as a user in Rigi. So for creating a new enrollment in Rigi, I need to set up my action step. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Rigi. Now I'm going to select Rigi here. And I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And import user will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Rigi with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And here for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, I need to first log into my Rigi account. And I need to go to my dashboard where I will find the option of integrations. And in integrations, I will find an option of Pabbly where I need to enable the toggle button and I will get my token. Now here for getting my token, I'm going to take you to Rigi. So here in my Rigi account, I'm on my dashboard and here I have this option of integrations. So I'm going to open that. And here in integrations, I have this option of Pabbly. So I'm going to open this. And here in Pabbly, we need to make sure that we have enabled this option. And here in this tab of Pabbly key, we will find our token. So I'm going to first make this token visible. And here this is my token that I need to use for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to copy this token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of token. Now that I have added my token, I'm going to click on save and I have successfully connected Rigi with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details to create a new user or to enroll my user in Rigi. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all the detail of my customer from my previous tab of FlexiFunnel. And from my previous tab, I'm going to get all the responses that are required to create or enroll a new user in Rigi. So simply by using those details, I'm going to map those details here in these tab. And for that, I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of FlexiFunnels, and here I need to first map the full name of my customer. So here this is the first name, so I'm going to map this, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Now here this is the full name of my customer. Now I'm going to map the email address. So I need to click here. Again, I have to open the response of FlexiFunnels. And here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to map the phone number. Now that I have mapped the phone number, I have to give my product hash, or I have to give the product key in which I want to enroll this user. So here for getting the product hash key, what I need to do is I need to go to my Rigi account. And in Rigi, I need to go to my products. And here in products, we can see I have all these courses. So here I want to enroll all my customers that I'm going to receive through FlexiFunnels in this particular course of PHP programming. So what I need to do is I need to get the offering key or the product key of this particular course. And for that, I have this particular tab of offering key. So here I need to first make this key visible. And this is going to be my product key. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to paste that here in this tab of product hash. Now that I have mapped my product key, I have filled this required detail, and now I'm going to give my validity in days. So here I have to enter the number of days to give access here, and I can use -1 for lifetime access. So here you can create any number of days as the validity for your enrollment of your student. And here I want to give lifetime access. So I'm going to type -1 here. And now I have this option of send email. So if you want to send the email to your new user that you are going to enroll, you can select this option of yes. And if you don't want to send the email, you can select no. I want to send the email, so I'm going to select yes. And now I have filled all the required details. Now that I have mapped all these details here, so I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new purchase of a course through FlexiFunnels, then automatically I will receive the new response of that purchase. And as I'm going to receive the new response and I'm going to get the new details, then automatically all these details that I mapped here will get replaced with the new customer detail in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically I will enroll a new user in Rigi. Now that I have mapped all the required details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that automatically I have enrolled a new user in my course in Rigi. So here I have enrolled this user from my FlexiFunnels purchase, and to check whether I have enrolled a new user or not, let me take you to Rigi. And in this, I will go to user management. And in user management, I have this user list. Now in this particular user list, I need to search for my user that I've just created or enrolled. So here I need to search that by the phone number. So I'm going to type that here. And in this, we can see I have created this new user, or I have enrolled this new user in my course in Rigi. So here I have the name of my user, that is John Elvis. I have the random phone number, and I have the email address, that is johnelvis@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I've used all these details of my customer while making the purchase of my course through FlexiFunnels. And as I've created a new purchase in FlexiFunnels, then automatically I've enrolled that user in Rigi for my particular course. So here I've successfully enrolled this user in Rigi by setting up this automation between FlexiFunnels and Rigi. So here I have successfully created this automation and I have built this connection between FlexiFunnels and Rigi. And now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new purchase for my course through FlexiFunnels, then automatically by using all those details, I will enroll a new user in Rigi in my course. So here I have set up this automation just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected FlexiFunnels with Rigi to automatically enroll Rigi user on FlexiFunnels purchase. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was FlexiFunnels, and my trigger event was new purchase. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Rigi, and my action event was import user. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.